In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Durable AI to create a website. We'll go from a blank slate to a published professional site, and I'll share clear tips along the way to make the process smooth. Start by heading to durable.co. On the homepage, click Build a Website. You can sign up with your email or a Google account, and there's no credit card required to try it out. Once you're in, you're ready to let the AI do the heavy lifting. Tell Durable what kind of business you run by entering your business type. Think virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. Adding a location is optional, but it can help tailor content to your area. Then click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable drafts a complete site for you, including a homepage, services, about and contact pages, plus images and written copy to get you started. Choose the business type that best matches what you do so the initial content feels close to your brand. Next, click Edit to customize. For text, click any section and type your own content or use Rewrite with AI to refine your message. Keep headlines short and benefit focused, and make sure your calls to action are specific. For images, click an image to replace it. You can upload your own photos for authenticity or use AI generated images if you don't have assets yet. Aim for high quality visuals that reflect your services and audience. Now shape your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections to fit your look. Upload your logo and set a consistent brand style. Pick two complementary fonts, maintain strong color contrast for readability, and keep button styles consistent across pages to guide visitors. Add any extra pages you need by clicking Pages. Common additions include a blog for updates, an FAQ to handle common questions, a gallery or portfolio, a pricing page with clear packages, and a contact form. Organize your navigation so visitors can find key information quickly. If it supports your workflow, enable optional business tools. Durable includes a simple CRM to track leads, invoicing to bill clients, and appointment booking. Turn on only what you'll use and align your contact forms with the CRM so new inquiries are captured automatically. When you're ready, click Publish. You can use a free Durable subdomain or connect your custom domain on a paid plan. Your site goes live instantly, and if you connect a domain, allow a little time for it to propagate. Preview on a phone to confirm everything looks great. Tweak spacing, font sizes, and button placement so it's easy to tap and read on small screens. Finally, open your SEO and settings. Edit page titles, meta descriptions, and business info, and connect Google Analytics on a paid plan if you want traffic insights. Keep titles concise, descriptions clear, and include relevant keywords and location